Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end. To understand this thoroughly, to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So friends, first of all, subscribe my channel and see this video. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. Today, this is January 16, where the natural gas futures are trading here currently at the level of $3.665. Yesterday I explained in my video that as we witnessed a second gap of the week here, natural gas futures tried to break this first resistance and went up to the levels of $3.717, where they found stiff resistance and a lot of selling was there. Therefore, the natural gas futures moved downward and came down up to the levels of $3.392. Some of my subscribers raised questions that how deep this downward move can go. Then I convinced them that we may go up to the level of $3.388 at the last, but we have seen that the natural gas futures took a reversal from the levels of $3.392, and since the formation of this bottom here at this level, natural gas futures turned upward, and today we can see a sharp upward move. Here we witness some resistance which we tried to break again and again in an hourly chart. Here you can see, and finally our fourth attempt went successful and we find an eruptive move, and now we are trying to break our second resistance at $3.699 in an hourly chart. Friends, I find that today we will be able to cross this second resistance. No doubt it may take some time, it may take a few hours, but finally once we see a sustainable move above the level of $3.748, we will see the continuity of more upward moves. I am saying this on the basis of the formation of a golden cross in an hourly chart on January 10, 2019. Here you can see that the 20 days moving average and the 20 days exponential moving average and along with the other moving averages have crossed 200 days moving average in an hourly chart, which has formed a golden cross which provides a good strength to natural gas futures in an hourly chart, which resulted in a good gap up on the opening session of January 13th, 2019 here, and second gap was on January 14th in an hourly chart. Here you can see the second gap of this week, and since then no doubt that the natural gas came downward on January 15th while trying to break this first resistance but found a good support here, and now you can see the reversal of natural gas futures in an hourly chart, and once again we have come above this first resistance and now we are trying to break the second resistance level, but we are facing a little bit of resistance here. But here you can see that the 20 days exponential moving average is moving upward and still remain above the 20 days exponential moving average, which provides good strength to natural gas futures in an hourly chart, and I find that this formation will provide natural gas bulls enough strength to break this resistance, and they may move above the level of $3.767 during an upward. So friends, be ready with your strict stop loss, but I find that the natural gas futures will try to break this level. Now let me show you this movement in my favorite chart pattern which I have constructed for the year 2019, where I will map the movements of natural gas futures in a daily chart. Here you can see this chart pattern which I have constructed to map the movements of natural gas futures in a daily chart during the year 2019. Here you can see that we have already crossed this first resistance. Here you can see that 20 days exponential moving average has turned upward, caused 20 days moving average, and the price have been maintaining above this second upward line, and no doubt we are trying to break this resistance line. Once we are able to sustain above this, we will find our first resistance at the level of $3.857. Once we cross this resistance, our next resistance will be this one at the level of $4.125. No doubt an inventory may be supportive tomorrow. Once the natural gas futures find a support on the announcement of a positive inventory, we will find the natural gas futures will test this second resistance level, which is at the level of $4.108. Let me show you this chart in a 4-hour zone for a more clear view. Here you can see that the 20 days exponential moving average is trying to remain above the 20 days moving average, and the natural gas futures currently trying to break this first resistance, which the natural gas futures tried yesterday. In a 4-hour chart, we will find our first resistance at the level of $3.723, where the 200 days moving average exists in a 4-hour chart. Once we see natural gas futures to sustain above the level of $3.748, we will see the continuity of this uptrend during the upcoming weeks. So friends, be ready for an action in natural gas futures. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.